Your child sings, hums, says words randomly, but is not talking to you? Then do this. Whenever you're talking to your child, hold the face and talk to the child. Not just you, every member in the family should talk to the child by only holding the face. If when you hold the face, the child is not looking at you, looking here and there, then hold the face like this, where the child does not have anywhere else to see. If the child is looking up and not looking at you, then put a cap so that the child cannot see anything on the top. So have this and then talk to the child. Persistently, continuously keep doing it, and your child will learn to talk. Click the link in the bio to get a free consultation or join our parent circle group to support your child better.